Smacznego, kochani! Pizza and beer. I feel like our lifestyle in Bali coming back again. I'm in the digital nomads time. Tak? As long as there is internet connection, we work everywhere. We are working with best teamwork, tak?
As you can see here, there are really some cool stuffs here ongoing. Actually, the tanks, you cannot drive them, but they are actually running, and they actually looking at me as a shoot. Quite a lot of people interested. Yeah, this is just the beginning. They are really cool defense expositions. They have some stands. They have a really nice decor. This one looks like a Singaporean tower, and a lot of military defense drones, guns, everything, a lot of things, choppers. That's how does it look like. Really a lot of interesting stuff, rockets. Some of the construction is mine here, but I don't want to really say what. But overall, everything looks really cool. There are some decent drones here. Actually, this is like robots, probably who they can shoot or something. I don't know. Actually, here is the chopper. They bring the real chopper inside of the exposition hall. One of my projects is also on this hall. Actually, at the beginning somewhere. I'm going out. Actually, it's so hot here. Cool because you can actually get inside and shooting. Here you go, like a shooting inside the exposition. This is actually cool. Overall, this is the best expo in Poland, especially regarding the military and all of the stuff. If you like it, it's really cool. You can see the really cool stuff. That's the choppers and everything. A lot of interesting things. A lot of stuff to show you. But I don't have that much time today, unfortunately. But what you can see, they are cool stuff. There's some food, but they have a Kawasaki stuff. ATVs, bikes, some more tanks, as you can see, some trucks, a lot of stuff, important people, that's from Germany, some officer. I mean, this is the defense, so you can find everything here. I'm just on the back side actually now. As you can see, Targi Kielce, MSPO, Międzynarodowy Salon Przemysłu Obronnego, International Defense Industry Exhibition, 25 years in Poland. Weather is beautiful and there is some nice big chopper here also. Pretty cool stuff. Gonna tell you. And some another thingies here. Actually, a lot of cool stuff. PTS, I didn't have a chance to shoot something because I got invited from my client for some shooting. Unfortunately, I couldn't do so. But probably next year we're gonna do it again together. So most likely I will come back here next year as well. Awesome show of a little bit of makeup. And a lot of stuff. Oh, you can get even inside. How cool is this? Cool. At Friday, actually, those tanks were moving here and they were driving. I saw them actually how they were, preparing them here, settling them down. It was actually really cool. Unfortunately, they only like this. Oh, here you go, soldiers. A lot of cool stuff. Some radar here. I think I filmed here already. That's the Yerch, actually the Polish company. This is the Polish production stuff. Cool. Yeah, and people making selfies. Nice, cool exhibition. And there are some more tanks and many other cool stuff inside, actually. Oh, cool. Really a lot of stuff here. It's actually really cool stuff. You see, it's moving inside the hall. This is how does it work in real life. Ooh. This is actually scary. I hope so they're not gonna have to use it. But this is for defense, anyways. This is important stuff for everybody in today's days. And this thing is Yerch, so this is the Polish production stuff. Just cannot shoot right now, but it's working very well. Yerch. Cool. And then boom. Quick. Everything must be quick. Cool. It's been a big, long day in the work, but look at who is there. Nothing is better to see the wife after the hard day, physically and emotionally. And the monkeys. That's Winnie. Monkeys just like the rest of it. Sayo, what do you know?
We are driving from Kielce to Poznań first, home first, and tomorrow Damian will drive to Berlin.
Berlin. Yeah, a lot of traveling, a lot of things. We have 4 hours back to Poznań from Kielce, 400 kilometers. We're just leaving the Kielce. And how was the Kielce?
Oh my god, I'm tired already. Let's go home, kochanie. Dzień dobry. We just arrived in Poznań last night, very late night actually. And now Damian will go to Berlin. Unfortunately, I cannot join him to Berlin today because tomorrow I've got an important meeting with some school board members, and Damian will show you the update. What is the next project in Berlin?
Berlin, let's go.
I am in IKEA because Damian needs to buy some of the furnitures that left for the Target. And after this, Damian will go to Berlin. This is how it is. It's not an easy job, I guess. You have to make sure and checking everything. So we are in the storage room in IKEA, basically looking for the everything here. Oh, lucky that the IKEA here is so big. Everything that you can find here. So Damian has to go to Berlin for his another project basically, and tomorrow I've got another meeting actually from one foundation regarding to the education. So I'm not joining Damian for the next project, but yeah, I'm so happy that joining his work, and then like seeing how he's working, dealing with the customers, looking for every single thing. So it's nice. I think that's all my video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. It's very hot here in Poznań. Bye.